One green candle, next to it you have that red candle, bearish army, and from here you go to the downside. If I zoom out again, the story remains the same. An attempt to break to the upside and a failure. So first touch and the second touch right there, the third touch right over there, and the fourth touch right over here, still a failure. The direction still remains to the downside, regardless of you making that one interesting green candle to the upside that makes people crazy and bullish all of a sudden. I still have to keep checks, and it's important to have checks on a coin. When it moves to the upside, put a check. Don't just jump in and start to think. A lot of people thought this is a bull flag. My friend, when you make a bull flag right to the resistance like this, that's the thing, TA. Try to zoom out, try to zoom in, try to look at the weekly, try to look at the monthly time frame. Speaking of weekly, we are sitting on Sunday, the last day of the week, and this is how the weekly looks like. As a matter of fact, if you look at the weekly, we have another very big resistance right over here. I didn't even talk about it, but look at that. That's a very, very big resistance. And I can even say that there is a technical target on the weekly from the top to the bottom right there, and there was some sort of a flag there, and this still is a technical target to come to 2,400, because all you did again on the weekly is you had this as your support. Did you see how good you're holding support? And then you broke down mid the bearish closing, went to the upside, and you got rejected right at that place. And you got rejected right at this resistance that has been a big rejection point ever since August 2022, right over there. So you are at the very, very big massive resistance. We still need to get above all these things. Good idea would be to just go above 4,252 and try to move sideways from here, and you could have a good possibilities of even moving to 8,000 at that point onwards. If it happens, we're gonna talk about it, but it's not happening, right? So that's pretty much it for this update on JASMY. I'm gonna see you in the next one. Hello, office.